Hollywood VFX behind-the-scenes videos are blowing up all over the internet right now. Just take a look at this Instagram page. They've gained over 1.4 million followers with only 54 posts, and their most popular video has over 804 million views. That's absolutely crazy. And here's the thing, this niche is still pretty new, so there's not much competition right now. That means you have a great opportunity to start creating videos like these and grow. Now check out this video I made with AI in just 2 minutes.
Breakaway rigs, top of port rigs, filling.
Alright, let's get into it. First, you'll need a prompt to create videos like these. So open the prompt from the description, copy the entire thing, then head over to ChatGPT, paste it in, and hit run. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate 10 viral ideas for you. You can pick whichever one you want. For this example, I'm going to choose number 6. Now hit run again, and ChatGPT will generate a ready-to-use prompt for you. Copy the entire prompt. Next, go back to the description of this video and open the Nextify website. Now log in with your Gmail account. You'll automatically get 20 free credit. And here's the best part. After you generate your first video, you'll get another 20 credit. That's actually really useful. Now paste the ChatGPT prompt right here, then choose your preferred aspect ratio and select Seedance Mini as the model. I'm choosing this model because it only uses 5 credit. Now hit run, and in about 4 minutes, your video will be ready. And there we go. Our final video is ready. Let's check out the result.
Breakaway rigs, top of port rigs, filling.
Now let's generate our next video using Seedance. So go back to ChatGPT, and this time type number 1 and hit run. ChatGPT will generate a ready-to-use prompt for you. Copy the entire prompt from here, then head back to the Nextify website. Paste the ChatGPT prompt right here. Now, under the model section, select Seedance 2.0. Set the quality to 720p and keep the duration at 10 seconds. Now hit run. After about 3 to 4 minutes, your video will be ready. And there we go, our video is ready. Let's check out the result together. So yeah, that's the complete process, and you'll find the Nextify link in the description. So make sure to check it out, and before you leave, hit that subscribe button so you can take advantage of the next viral AI niche before everyone else does. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.